A great attitude is worth more than a great product. Hi, my name is Himanshu Mittal and I am a sales coach. See, when we sell, when we are into selling profession, we fall in love with our product and we think that our product is best, and we try to justify its features, its benefits to the customer, and at the end we wonder why the customer has not bought from us. But here is one thing that I want to talk to you. I would say a great attitude is worth more than a great product. When I say great attitude, that means the attitude of the salesperson. It's your attitude. The way you treat your customer, the way you smile, the way you talk, the way you maintain relationship, how much attention you are giving to your customer. Do you judge him? Do you think that यार ये कस्टमर है, ये मुझे प्रॉफिट नहीं देगा, and let's not give enough attention to him. So if you are the person who believes in giving, right? When I say giving, that means giving attitude, giving attention, giving energy to the client. When you are a person, then you stands out from the crowd. At any given point of time, your product can be replaced. The product you are selling is available somewhere else also, but the attitude you are carrying is not available anywhere in the world, right? People can be better than you, people can be worse than you, but you have your unique attitude. If you are likable, right? If you treat the customer, they want to be treated. It's not like the how you treat them, it's like the way they want to be treated. If you treat them like this, then you cannot be replaced. It may happen that people may not buy this time from you, but you are in the game. He will remember you every time. You can think of any your past experience in sales when customer has not brought that product from you at that given of point of time, but he came back to you later on because he had a good interaction with you, because he liked the way you treated him, isn't it? So again, we came to the same point. A great attitude is worth more than a great product. It is about you. It is about the salesperson, because he carries the 50% of the sales process. As in, when we talk about sales process, it includes the customer, the brand image, the product, the services, the delivery, the price, time to buy, and salesperson. But salesperson is 50%, right? And rest of the things are in the balance 50%. You see the portion, right? So if the salesperson carry the good attitude, you are unstoppable. I hope it makes sense. You have any question, please comment below. Thank you.